Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD in front of us right now, and before I proceed, I would like to tell you one thing, that if you're in a hurry right now, if you're doing something, then please don't watch the video. Okay, please watch the video when you're free, when you're ready to watch, because this video is going to be a little bit complicated. Okay, so I do not want to bore you. Okay, and you will not also understand if you're doing something. Okay, so please watch the video when only you are free. Okay, so while I'm shooting this video or recording this video, as you can see that after 38 minutes, we are about to have some news or event on the market regarding GBP, goods trades balance. So this will bring some volatility to the market, and during the US session, okay, there will be some volatility again. We can expect some disco dance movement, okay, because of CPI, and as we all know that CPI has a huge impact on the forex market because it brings volatility to the DXY or US dollar. So let's see how the market rolls during the CPI and the coming goods trades balance. And this coming Friday and Saturday, I'll be conducting world's most affordable forex trading workshop. The fees is less than your stop loss. My new quote. Okay, anyways, if you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, you can check out the link in the description. Okay, now let's talk about GBPUSD. Remember, I told you yesterday that there is a possibility that market will, instead of going down, market will try to recover. Okay, and we saw some recovery on the chart of GBPUSD yesterday, and GBPUSD again trading on the previous support zone again. If you have been watching my videos, then you can easily recognize this green box, because this green box is the support zone that we have been using for quite some time, and GBPUSD is back to the support box again. What is the support zone here? The support zone is 1.1932, and then we have 1.1870. okay, 1.1930, okay, round figure 1.1870. This is a support zone for GBPUSD, and somehow market is not ready to surrender. Even if the sellers in the market are pushing the market down, it is back to the support zone again. So now one thing is very much certain, that buyers in the market are not ready to surrender that easily. Okay, and most importantly, you can see that the trend line has been acting as a dynamic resistance for quite some time, the trend line. Okay, and right now we can see that here after a few hours we will see the trend line and support at the same point. Okay, the dynamic resistance and the support will be at the same point. So in this particular position, it will be very critical for the market. We will have to see who wins the battle, whether the buyers win the battle or the sellers win the battle. Because if buyers win the battle, then obviously we will see, listen to me carefully, we will see market breaking the trend line and going up, and you can take a buy position as well. Okay, if you see market breaking the resistance and going up, and in case the buyers fail, and if sellers shows their power again, okay, then you will see a big red candle, and you can try to take a sell position as well. Like in whatever you do, keep in mind that, okay, whatever you do, okay, keep in mind that the current place is very critical. So strict risk management is extremely important, because you are a trader, not a gambler. Okay, so and one thing that also you need to observe here, okay, and I have already discussed in my previous videos also, that this looks like a descending triangle pattern also. Okay, and in descending triangle pattern we usually see market breaking the support and going down. So things are very, very critical. Okay, we can see many things here. We don't know how the market will react, so it's better to trade from level to level only. And in case if you find market coming down, okay, if you find market coming down, then your target can be 1.18 1.1820. This can be your target if you take a sell position. Okay, but I think that 1.1820 to 1.1850 will try to act as support again. Okay, why it will try to act as support again? Because if you try to overall analyze or understand the structure of the market here, okay, then you can see that somehow we can see the interest of the buyers, the intention of the buyers to take the market up. So I think there is a high chance that after a few days, okay, at least after a few days also, okay, market will try to recover from this level. Okay, and if I take you to a daily chart, in the daily chart also you can see the same story. I'm drawing a trend line here. So it is the daily chart here. You can see in the daily chart also we can see a similar story, that there is a possibility of market going up from here. And most importantly, if the black line at the bottom is the support here, okay, if I'm using the word if, okay, then market has a higher chance of market showing some sign of recovery. At least market should be going up till this level. So I think that there can be some recovery on the chart of GBPUSD. And whatever you do, okay, whatever you do, please follow strict risk management, because in a market condition like this, when we do not have a clear picture, for example Euro USD, we have a clear picture, okay, if market breaks 1.0000, we can take a sell position. If market breaks 1.0070 with good amount of volume, we can take a buy position for 30-40 pips. Okay, but in GBPUSD we do not have a clear picture. So even if you want to take a position on GBPUSD, you must be very careful. And if I take you to the chart of DXY, then probably you know it very well that DXY is flying right now, standing at 108.18. DXY looks unstoppable. And if CPI brings a pause, okay, if reverses the market, then there can be some selling, some correction on DXY, okay, and you can see some recovery on GBPUSD, Euro USD, okay. But till then, DXY is bullish, and try to follow the trend of the market and trade accordingly. That is most important. Okay, so for GBPUSD, I'm repeating again that right now market is back to the support zone again, and as you can see that we do not have any clarity about the market here, and this risk to reward ratio also is not in our favor. So please avoid taking any position here in case market hits this level by today, because the trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance and market is already in support zone, so it will be very critical. If market breaks the level, we can see some recovery and we can take a buy position, and if market fails, we can take a sell position. And why I have been using the word critical a lot because this is a chart of GBPUSD. Okay, we have a descending triangle pattern as well as we have a wedge pattern as well. So I don't know who will win. Okay, let's wait for the news and event. Okay, this will bring some volatility. Hopefully we will get a clear picture by the end of this week. Let's wait and watch. If you are in love with GBPUSD, then you can consider the options that I mentioned today. But if you're open to other options, then I'll just suggest you to avoid GBPUSD as of now. Okay, bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management. I can be wrong as well. Okay, bye.